I am H.C. Gera, Bureau Chief of the Voice of Chandigarh and the Voice of Canada. With me is Rohit Shorey. He is the founder and the CEO of the Kazin DMC. Sir, how is this journey since 2015 onward, please?
Journey has been exciting with lots of ups and downs, and mostly up at this stage. I am Rohit, and we are a DMC for Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Georgia, and very recently Belarus.
Tell me about something about Kazin also.
Well, like I said, we are a very reliable and innovative DMC, and we own and operate our own offices in all our locations. We have over 55 to 60 people working with us, and we are specialized in our destinations very, very strongly.
What kind of innovation do you see about the Kazin also?
Mostly in products. It is my vision that we create new and brand new products, bringing exciting programs for people to enjoy, such as golf tours, milestone celebrations, ladies groups, and everything that we can come up with.
Weddings, school trips, and of course the golf tourism. This is one of the best thing which is coming up recently. What do you say about the golf tourism also?
Golf tourism is again a very, very upcoming tourism product, and all of our 4 destinations have some amazing golf courses to offer their products to all the lovely golfers who want to travel abroad to play the game. And of course, very recently we launched school trips for all of our 4 destinations. Recently we have just launched Kazakhstan as a school tour destination, and very soon we'll be launching all our 4 destinations.
What is all about the school trips?
Well, this is going to be mostly for students. We want to showcase them these new destinations, show them the culture, what these countries offer in terms of values, in terms of learning new things, and taking them on local school trips.
There is a lot many things which are being done for the honeymooners also. What about your company, Kazin?
We are providing a lot of amazing honeymoon programs. We have multiple programs for all of our 4 destinations. Like I said, all of our destinations offer some great honeymoon product in terms of scenic beauty, nightlife, shopping, and everything that a honeymooner would want.
Okay, Mr. Rohit, let me know what are your 3 salient features of the DMC Kazin?
Well, our salient features are that we do not work with intermediaries. We do not have partners. We have our own team, which is our strongest selling point. We own and operate our own offices, which means that we control the quality. We also have our own restaurants and our own transport fleet, which very few other DMCs can say about that.
H.C. Gera, Bureau Chief of the Voice of Chandigarh, in conversation with Mr. Rohit Shorey, who is the founder CEO. As CEO, let me know, Mr. Shorey, what is your vision about all in the future to come?
Well, I can tell you the vision that I have for Kazin DMC is that of course, India is our biggest source market, but we are not only just present in India. At the moment, we are present in 11 countries. Okay. 11 countries are bringing their tourists to our 4 destinations, and most recently, we added Korea. And we want to expand our presence in China, Malaysia, and go as far as Europe.
Any other special plan for the expansion of this DMC?
Like I said, our expansion plan is having our presence in more countries, and also we will be launching our hotels also very soon.
In addition to all those things which you have told, what is left to be done by you?
There is a lot left to be done by me.
Let me know.
Like I said, we want Kazin to become a global brand in what we do, and in order to do that, it's a long walk ahead, but we trust our partners who have supported us, and I know their trust will take us there.
Rohit says Kazin will be a global kind of thing, and we appreciate your efforts and the vision as well. Thank you so much talking to the Voice of Chandigarh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Voice of Chandigarh.